turo kana kutuka president kana kutuka machairman emaprovince kana kutuka musangano weZANU-PF kana kushora hurumende, isusu tonyarara. Kana kutora tobva taposta kune mumwe munhu, ukaposta uri kurakidza kuti uri kuwirirana nezvekutaurwa naGeza pasina Geza. Ndakambotaura ndiri kumasvingo ndikati Geza haasiri musoro wenyaya muridzi waGeza. Geza ndibhoki, toda kutsvaga muridzi wabhoki nekurova bhoki. Ndati Geza ndibhoki. Kune vasingaziva kuti bhoki ndiani, bhoki imbwa. Kana uchida kuziva muridzi wembwa unorova imbwa. Kana uchida kuziva amai vehanda unobata handa, unoona amai vacho vakuuka kuya kwauri. Iko zvinoti mumwaka wekurova Geza. Nyangwe akauya achida kuita mademonstrations, musabvuma kupfurirwa kuzviparadza. Toda kukutendai kuti makataura kuti isusu hatiite zvisina maturo. Tanga wabude mumwena mauri Geza, udzoke kuno, uye kuno, titaure takatarisana. Kana uchindipfekedza saki, wondipfekedza saki. Asi ndoda kukuvimbisai kuti Geza ndiri kumupfekedza saki. Iko zvino akapfeka saki kutaura kwatiri kuita kuno.
So this is what Garwe said, and mazuva aperayo vanga vambonyarara because Comrade Geza pakashata. Airatidza kuti potential was there. If you look at what was happening online, the potential was there 100%. So they had a lifeline and they vakubuda vachitaura tiramupfekedza sagi. So it happens in politics, it happens in power struggles. We saw it happening in 2017 before a sudden turn happened. G40 had won politically, but militarily, G40 lost. So this time around, the Geza faction is lost militarily. The major question is, will they win politically or otherwise? So that is what we are going to be experiencing. And when it comes to address, I believe that is going to be addressing these key issues. So Zimbabwe's political terrain is very difficult to maneuver at this point in time because, you know, no one knows what's next. No one knows who is working with who. And, you know, there are certain events and activities which are happening, which a lot of people, you know, do not even understand. But the biggest problem which we have seen is the issue of name calling. For those who are saying we are fighting Emerson, you don't need to fight others who are fighting Emerson. That must be clear. So Garwe, they've gained lifeline from what happened on 31st, where just a few people got into the streets and those people, they were arrested. Right now, it seems as if everything is in place. We are seeing propaganda being run with a potential and the probability, which is very high, that tonight at 2030, Comrade Geza might come and change everything. So everybody is eagerly waiting for Comrade Geza to come so that he gives a direction once more. So the people are waiting eagerly to understand what is Comrade Geza going to bring tonight, and that is what is going to actually shape the political terrain going forward. So the biggest challenge is it's 20:08. There is nothing from Comrade Geza's platform as of now, which means everybody is eagerly waiting for that to be posted. So Zimbabweans, let me tell you, the issue of change is not fixed on personalities. The issue of change is not fixed on anything else. It's fixed on time. It's a matter of time. When the time is right, you are going to see things fall into place. Some of the things which we have never expected to move in a certain direction will move in a certain direction, and the things will happen unexpectedly. Change will come to the nation of Zimbabwe. When, how, we do not understand and we do not even know. But what we know is change will come. And one thing I want to note before we leave is that Comrade Geza, Nyokai Mabunu, and other comrades, they've done their part. What is left is you and me. What do we have to offer? So that is something which is very, very important. That is the most important question. What do we have to offer as citizens? So as we introspect, we need to look at that question deeply and courageously and ask ourselves, what do we have to offer? And we have to offer the best possible solution to our problems. So God is working on a solution, but you and me, we need to be there. We need to make sure that we are ready. So nyika ino yatorwa nezvigananda. I was shocked by a video from Eddie Cross. I hoped that I could bring that video, but I think we need to do a review which is totally independent about that video. He clearly says over 7 billion is being looted. Never anachete. Kana vanachete vari kuba over 7 billion. What about mamwe masawira ASI vari kuuya vari kubawo, the likes of Anakuda nezvimwe zvigananda zvese izvi vari kukokota mari? We have to ask those questions to ourselves. Then look at this. The reason why these people censored the media so much, to an extent where journalists have now been arrested on bogus charges, is because they don't want the truth to be known. They don't want the truth to be told. So they want to set up an example yekuti kana ukataura chokwadi chichaitika kwauri. And that is something which we need to note and we need to deal with. So accidentally or otherwise, Zimbabwe will be free. Ngatirambe takabatana so neZimbabwe. Ngatirambe takabatana. Zimbabwe must and will be free. So this is it. Tim Garwe vari kuti vachapfekedza Mudarageza masaga, and Mudarageza is coming tonight probably to address this issue and give direction, because vakasiya nyaya yavo isinopera. So we are waiting, everybody is waiting to hear kuti he will come and say what exactly. So the 31st of March video, the recent video, it got over 400,000 views, which is a sign that everybody was eagerly waiting to hear kuti zvinhu zvacho zvafamba sei. So for those who are worried about why people are not getting into the streets, the answer is simple. When the time is right, you will see people get into the streets if they're supposed to get into the streets. But one way or the other, it doesn't matter what happens, change will come to the nation of Zimbabwe. So as we continue to wait for Comrade Geza, this is what is happening. This is what Garwe said. And let us meet in other episodes in other broadcasts.